I think that's how we all grew up, you know, around hot rods. It kind of what got us into the industry, I guess, you know. Yeah, there's a motor. It's on my 66 Nova. I think it's like 600 horsepower or something like that. I don't know if I can afford to bring my car tomorrow with the price of gas. I live so, and then if I get stuck in traffic, No, I've been restoring cars with my dad since, you know, I was like 15 years old. And when I got the car, I just tore it all apart, every little nut and bolt. But I built it to drive the car. I didn't build it to trailer around. So when I do drive it, I drive it. I drive it like I built it. It's unique to me, I guess. You know, it's, I guess, a reflection of my personality, I guess. It's not too flashy, just, you know, low key until you start looking at it, and then it's, you know, a little more interesting, I guess.